Welcome to the 3bestones.com. The following video is about the best kids microscope. Here are the top 3 kids microscopes that we have picked to make sure you don't waste your time wandering over the internet. At number 3. MMUSC Microscope for Student Beginner Kids. It has 10x and 40x magnification settings to show you the tiniest details of your specimen. It 2 LED lights that allow you to see clearly without shadows. It comes with a built-in stage, so all you have to do is add some water and an object like a leaf or flower petal on top of the stage. It's easy for children to use and includes an instruction manual with images of what the user should see when looking through it. Its kit comes with slides, cover slips, and a prepared slide so that users can immediately start their exploration of microscopic life forms. At number 2. JuniorScope Microscope for Kids Microscope by Omano. It is a great way to introduce kids to the world of microscopes. With its durable and easy-to-use design, this microscope will provide hours of educational fun for any curious child. It is perfect for children ages 8+ years old who are interested in science or biology. It comes with a carry case that makes it easy to take on trips, inside the house, or outside into nature. This interactive toy encourages learning and curiosity by letting kids explore their environment through magnification. At number 1. AmScope 52 PCS Kids Beginner Microscope. It is the world's leading manufacturer of educational and professional microscopes, providing reliable products to educators, students, hobbyists, and professionals alike. It comes with a 50mm objective lens and 10x eyepiece, which is perfect for kids to explore the world of microscopy. It includes an LED light source that provides even illumination across the field of view without shadows or hot spots. It also features a high-quality precision ground glass lens with 4x, 10x, 40x magnification options. It includes an 18x24 whiteboard for writing down observations and drawings. For more details, click on the link given in the description below, and thanks for watching our video. If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.